A collision occurred between two goods locomotives near Ondagram Railway Station in the Bankura district of West Bengal on Sunday around 4 am. This video is going to explain this collision for our learning. This is Ondagram Railway Station. It is situated at Onda of Bankura district in the Indian state of West Bengal. The Kharagpur-Bankura Adra line. It connects the cities of Kharagpur, Bankura, and Adra. This line plays a vital role in facilitating transportation and connectivity in the region. Here, two main lines and three loop lines. 1, 2 and 3. Let's see the loop line connection. At this location, the loop line connects with a sub-loop line, and a goods train is currently awaiting a signal. A signal with a route indicator is located in this area, used prior to the loop line. The goods train is currently awaiting clearance from this signal, which provides instructions to the driver regarding their next course of action. Currently, the signal is indicating a route change. The goods train needs to switch tracks. The signal is displaying red, indicating that the train should come to a stop at this location. Even though the main line is connected to the loop line, the significance is irrelevant as the signal is displaying red, requiring the goods train should be halted at this point. But the second goods train, which is coming from the Bankura towards the Ondagram Railway Station, it breaks the red signal and enters the loop line. Due to a freight train being stationed at the sub-loop line, the second goods train collided with it from behind. Due to its high speed, the engine of the freight train overturned. See the animation. Hope this video will resolve your question. And what do you think? Share your comment. Don't re-upload this video. Thank you. Let's grow up. Never stop learning.